WooCommerce store to ChatGPT using MCP. Once connected, ChatGPT can securely interact with your store, and your customers can even shop directly from GPT itself. If you're new to Blockonomics, welcome aboard. We're a privacy-first crypto payment solution. We've got all the tools you need, and our support team is here for you 24/7. Now let's dive into the tutorial. Alright, let's get started. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Once you're there, open the Advanced tab and select Features. Now scroll down until you see the WooCommerce MCP option and go ahead and enable it. After that, click Save Changes. Perfect. Alright, step 2. Let's install and set up the AI Engine plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, then go to Plugins and click Add Plugin. In the search bar, type AI Engine. This plugin is what helps connect your WooCommerce store with ChatGPT through MCP. Go ahead, install, then activate. Once it's activated, open up the AI Engine settings. Here, make sure the shown necessary settings are turned on. These options allow your store to securely communicate with ChatGPT and expose the tools and data we'll need later. Go to Settings. Next, click over to the MCP tab. Turn on Enable MCP Server. What this does is basically turn your WordPress site into a server ChatGPT can connect to and interact with. Now you'll want to create a bearer token. Think of this like a secure access key. It keeps your MCP connection protected, so only authorized clients can connect. And finally, make sure the SSE endpoint option is enabled as well. SSE stands for Server Sent Events, and it allows ChatGPT to receive responses from your store in real time. Next, head over to the REST API tab and make sure it's enabled. This allows external services like ChatGPT through MCP to securely access and interact with your WooCommerce store data. Alright, now let's connect everything inside ChatGPT. Head over to your ChatGPT account, then go to Settings, Apps, and open Advanced Settings. First, make sure Developer Mode is enabled. Next, click on Create App. Fill in the required app details like the name and description, and when prompted for the MCP URL, paste the MCP endpoint URL we configured earlier using the AI Engine plugin on your WordPress site. For authentication, choose No Authentication, since we're already securing the connection using the bearer token we set up earlier. Then click Create. As soon as the app is created, click Refresh. See your custom WooCommerce app showing up right here inside ChatGPT, ready to connect and interact with your store. Now that the connection is set up, let's see it in action. To interact with your store, head back to the Apps section inside ChatGPT settings. You should now see your custom WooCommerce connector listed here, just like this. Click on it, then hit Connect. This establishes a live MCP connection between ChatGPT and your WooCommerce store. And that's it. You can now chat directly with your store using natural language. You can ask questions about products, and much more. Just a quick note, advanced WooCommerce actions and MCP tools are only available in the Pro version. To use them, make sure the WooCommerce is enabled in the AI Engine plugin settings. If you want your app to appear publicly inside ChatGPT, like Booking.com or Klarna, you'll need to become an official OpenAI partner. Once approved, your app can be listed directly inside ChatGPT, allowing customers to connect, browse, and shop from your store seamlessly through chat. And that's it. It's really that straightforward. Let us know your questions or thoughts down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.